What's up, beautiful people, and I welcome you all again to my day 6 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day, and I'm using Cowrywise for the challenge. Now, you must not make use of the platform that I'm making use of, which is Cowrywise. You can decide to make use of any other fintech platform of your choice. You can decide to use OPay, PamPay, Cowrywise if you want to still do it, and which other thing? OPay, PamPay, Cowrywise. Even if money points is your choice, then go ahead and make use of money points. Right now, the goal is not just to save. Okay, the goal is also to get paid for saving, to get paid for doing this challenge. And that is one way the rich people or the rich saves their money. They don't just save to protect their money, they are saving to protect their money and to also get paid for saving their money. I don't think if I am making sense, but you understood what I'm trying to say. Okay, so we're not just only going to be saving, but we are still going to, at the end of the day, we're going to get paid for saving. We're going to get paid for doing a 90-day challenge. How cool is that? Okay, so make use of any fintech platform of your choice. As long as they're going to be giving you interest for saving, okay, then go ahead and make use of that. Now, I've always been giving 2 tips that is going to keep you consistent. One is cutting down on your expenses. 2 is automating your savings. Now, if you can be able to reduce the way you spend, then definitely you are going to have enough money to save. Okay, it's someone that has money that can be able to save. Okay, and if you can be able to save, that means you can be able to invest, right? Yes. So the second is automating your savings. Automating will help you not to fall or I don't know exactly how to put it, but it's going to enable you to stay consistent. That is the perfect thing to say. Okay, it will enable you to stay consistent to the extent that there is not going to be any single day that you will not participate or you will not be able to save despite your busy schedule. Okay, because what the automation does is that it is going to automatically debit that amount you want to be saving every day from your local bank account and then send it over to the fintech platform you are going to be making use of seamlessly without you lifting a finger. It could even do it when you are still sleeping. Okay, so how cool is that? So do these 2 things: reduce the way you spend, automate your savings. Now, let me know how much you've saved today. If you have joined the challenge, let me know in the comment section. If you have saved, let me know. Type in the comment section, I've saved for today. Right, if you have not started the challenge, you've not joined the challenge, let me know the reason why you are here to join the challenge. And for you that might be coming across the challenge for the first time and you might be thinking that I'm too late to join this challenge, then I'm letting you know that you are never too late. In fact, I wanted to start today. Okay, yes. So you are not supposed to be saving. I'm saving 1,000 every single day, but you are not supposed to be doing that. But if you can be able to do that, go ahead and do it. I think that is going to be another tip that is going to keep you consistent. Yes, so don't save 1,000 every day because I am saving 1,000 every day. If what can keep you consistent throughout the 90-day is saving 500 naira instead of 1,000 every single day, then go ahead and do it. If it is 200 naira or 150 or even 50 naira that is going to keep you consistent throughout the 90-day challenge, then go ahead and do it. But if you think you are Odogu, you have enough money, you can save 5,000, 100,000 every single day, or even 200,000 every single day, then go ahead and do it. We just want to get throughout this 90-day challenge without failing. Okay, so keep winning as always. Yes, as always, I want you to keep winning and remember that Leo loves you. Now, in case you are looking for more ways to make money, more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, then I recommend you click on this video you are seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video and I'm definitely going to see you on the other side. All right, until when you click on the video that I'm going to see you on the other side. We'll go again tomorrow, guys. Bye.